right. I know this thing looks like a damn mess, but I'm getting there one piece at a time. And I've noticed 92% of everybody watching these videos now isn't subscribing. So if you could do me a huge favor, just hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you're watching it all the way through. Greatly appreciated. It's the only reason I keep making these videos, just to document what I'm doing with my truck, so that, you know, when I'm 80 years old and senile, I can still remember what I did. And trying to get this done so that I can move on to better videos. This is practice, you know, videography, and I want to make some better videos. I need more people to be watching so that I have a reason to live. But no, really, most everybody out there watching this thing ain't subscribing, so if you could just hit the subscribe button and stuff, that'd be great, and move forward on this one thing at a time. Today I'm going to clean the transmission, make a couple of brackets for the airbag connectors. They're plastic. If they break 60 miles an hour going down the road, or if I throw something in the bed of the truck, it'll fuck that up and it'll drop to the ground, and don't need to be shooting out sparks inadvertently unless I want to do it on purpose. But there it is. So I'll get through this mess one day at a time. So thank you for watching. Keep watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe now. If I get to 600, I'll let Dan spray me in the eyes with a can of brake clean.
I like this shit because it repels gear oil.
Yeah.
Oh, did you pull that plug off? That plugged up holes?
Yeah, it's weird. It's got a set thing.
Weird. I'm tripping there's no vent on it. I figured that would have been the vent.
Oh, yeah.
Especially where it's poking to. Yeah, weird. Very weird, man. Flip it over, Rover. Oh, nothing.
Need,
You better clean that box out of there.
no.
No?
Yeah, this training ain't gonna be there. It's not gonna last very long.
Yeah, but when I started out full of fucking muck. The mucky muck.
What do you want to do? Spray it out?
You need some brake clean?
I went through like 6 cans already.
Well, we'll give you a couple. I don't care. Hang on.
Subscribe now. If I get to 600, I'll let Dan spray me in the eyes with a can of brake clean.
That'll teach you not to put my wrenches away.
What? Am I doing it wrong?
I don't know. Is there a right way to spray brake clean inside of a gearbox? Is there a procedure?
There's a right way to not spray it in your eyeball.
Hey, start on the left top and move to the right.
That's just nasty.
Yeah.
You trying, man. As I joke about it and get you in the eye.
Yeah. I know your fucking style.
Alright, okay. Where's that gasket I had?
On the log over there.
A log, oh yeah. Durr! The gasket, durr! The gasket, durr! Like this corner right here. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
It's your tube of silicone, not mine. I'm a messy worker, dude.
Yes, because if it's a messy tube, it won't seal.
I'm a messy fucking worker, dude.
Yeah, and I'd fill that fucker with like
A 1/4 inch?
75, 90 gear oil.
Yeah.
Don't
Synthetic?
don't use the, everybody's going to tell you, oh, put MTL in there. MTL's great for a new transmission.
I don't know what the fuck MTL is. I was gonna throw in O'Reilly's fucking 90 weight.
Redline MTL is what you run in the Fiat trannies and...
Well, I know this one doesn't. This one's actually whining a little bit, so I'd probably want something thicker.
Yeah, because that's what we put MTL in that 5-speed conversion on the Bronco.
Okay.
It's Redline MTL. It's a special fluid, blah, blah, blah. But it doesn't do shit for a worn-out tranny. Worn-out tranny needs...
I'll put some shutter
thick.
shit. Put some kind of shutter or stop leak fix in it, and some... Put this on my list of shit to buy you.
Whatever. We do enough for each other, dude. I don't think I'm going to sweat a tube of gasket sealer.
But if you want to weld, you better go buy some wire.
That's different. That's different. That gas ain't cheap anymore.
No, I know. Oh, there's an issue here.
What?
I'm an idiot.
What'd you do? You're not going to pinch it.
Tape my holes up.
Oh, no, that's always an issue. Those are probably like torque to 12 foot-pound bolts.
How many pounds am I putting on them?
At least 30. That gun goes up to 50.
So it's probably gonna leak now.
Yeah. I know. Have faith in yourself.
That's why I use so much silicone there. I'm gonna tuck it inside the bolt.